Spring break 2025. Having lots of fun. I got William and Tayden down there cleaning my stream. It's full of tumbleweeds and watercress. I got Nicole taking care of the animals with Natalia. Good morning, Rosie D.
Morning.
What are you doing for spring break?
Chores.
I'm having him clean up all his Legos. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay, happy spring break. Sometimes we gotta do some cleaning though, huh?
Yeah.
Work hard and then we'll play hard, okay? Alright. Give me a thumbs up. Guys, it's a blizzard on our spring break. That's cool.
Oh, yay.
Yay. Blizzard spring break 2025. We were gonna go lay out tomorrow and get a tan, but
That's what I think.
unlikely.
So that closest to the house is kind of left, but this other stuff's still.
Is this how you see yourself enjoying spring break? Was a blizzard?
No.
This is how we do it.
Hang on.
It's like, no, it's. Give him space, man. Oh!
Get ready for the show. The sword show.
Just woke up.
Wake up, it's time for the sword show. What's that stomping noise? Cut the gut! Cut the gut! Oh no, Roswell just got inappropriate. Oh! Close the door to his head, Will. Is he the Black Knight? It's but a flesh wound. He's Spider-Man. His legs grew back. Oh no! William, what happened to your swords?
You're bad.
You're...
That's why Would you like a box? Never mind.
soccer camp, day 2. The snow has kind of ruined our spring break this year.
It has snowed 4 days out of spring break. 4 days.
And I say ruined because we wanted it to warm up and be springtime. But unfortunately, this is basically springtime in Utah. One day there's 3 feet of snow, the next day it's 70 degrees with 70-mile-per-hour wind. We're gonna make the most of it by taking these 3 dudes.
Snowboarding.
This is probably our last run of the year.
Probably.
We've had literally 4 days of fresh powder, and I hope it's going to be a good day. The sun is out. I don't even think they need coats. It's going to be great.
And the snow looks like sour cream. It's so smooth and just fine.
So smooth and creamy
Oh yeah.
and sour.
Did we mention this is redneck snowboarding? We live hours from any resort, so we just drive up the mountain and make our own run. That's how we do it, people.
That's right, it's a country resort.
Oh heck yeah. Even better.
Okay, you boys ready to go shredding?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
I missed.
Okay, go shredding.
Heck yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, Tatum.
Will fell too.
Oh,
Oh! In the trench. They all 3 fell.
let's go, Willie.
Why don't you guys ride in the back? It's nice.
My lips are too chapped.
Yeah, he's got that giant.
Well, right at the end I crashed because.
You all 3 crashed. It was funny.
Well, yeah,
Stop dead.
it's because I was
Keep
watching.
your feet on the floor, Russ.
William's got those
They are inquiring.
gloves hanging out.
Stomp your feet. Good. Oh, hand me that bag. Hand me that bag.
Let us speak more often.
Willie.
Compassion to our youth in our homes.
Well,
In our Relief Society and Elders Forum meetings
What?
about the large loss.
There's Razzie just coming out of the trees. Here comes your dad. I've got it, honey. Thank you. Look at your dad.
I had to crawl down the mountain.
Here goes dad. Look at him. Oh crap! I can't see him.
Look at that!
Russell, look at dad.
Ross looks like a pig.
Avoiding deception. The Savior warned, take heed that no man
Yeah,
deceive you.
Razzie.
For many shall
What do you
come in
think,
my
Dad?
name,
He has gotten
saying,
so
"I
much
am
better, huh?
Christ,"
way better.
and
You
shall
believe
deceive
it?
many. The Savior knew pretenders would try to deceive the very elect, and that many disciples
Slow down, buddy.
would be duped. We should neither believe those who falsely claim divine sanction.
Ross.
Woohoo!
Metaphorical deserts or
There he is, Master Shredder.
seek to
Now it is time for science lesson spring break. William, what have you made here?
Oobleck.
What is oobleck?
Water and cornstarch.
In other words, it's a type of plasma
Look,
slime
it's hard.
that is a solid and a liquid state at the same time.
So what?
I know it looks like a liquid, but watch
Look,
William
it's what?
pick it up. It's actually,
Look.
as he touches it, it's
Look,
actually a
look
solid.
at this. It's
Solid.
It's solid.
Let's stick it
And then
to the
when you let it go, it's just it turns into liquid.
While applying pressure, it is a solid. And with no pressure, it becomes melting liquid.
So look, it looks like liquid.
Looks like somebody spilled milk on the counter.
Okay, but when you touch it, it's actually solid.
Yeah, but when you touch it, it's not a liquid. It's hard.
Hard to get up.
Do a fun science experiment this spring break. Get yourself some cornstarch, and you'll be entertained forever. Is it a solid? Is it a liquid? We will
It's
never
a solid.
know.
It's a solid.
Look,
It's both.
solid. It's a solid, and then it turns into a liquid.
Water. Nope.
Roswell discovered this with his third eye. His third eye helped him find oobleck. Oh, it's a ball. It's a solid.
Now I'm Spider.
Just kidding. Liquid.
Whoa.
Anti-venom symbiote.
Yep.
Ready? I'm gonna shoot it. Oh, I can't.
If I can get it doing a big pile.
Ah, it's coming out the wrong part of my hand.
They've also made some real slime over here. We're making all sorts today.
Here, let's just make a big pile.
This kind's cool.
Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, both hands.
Roswell, look at me. I get to see close up.
Just look at your tongue.
Oh, yeah.
That's so
That ice cream truck.
Yeah.
He had a Sonic popsicle.
It's made of gumballs.
Anoxical.
Your mouth's blue, too.